Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello? Hello? Am I audible? Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
आवाज येतोय ना?
Oh, ma'am.
ओके. Shall we start? Shall we start? Hello? Hello?
Yes,
आवाज
ma'am.
येत हाँ. Shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Yesterday we have started the 12th chapter from Dr. Kane's repertory, that is the removal of totality of symptoms. If you are removing these symptoms, that means you are removing the cause of the disease. But at the same time, that totality should contain the proper symptoms so that the cause of the symptom will be removed. We are not believing the removal of organ as the cure, but what we are believing, we are taking the characteristic symptoms, we are taking the peculiar symptoms, we are making the totality, and if these symptoms are removed by us, that means the thing which leads to this disease is removed by us, that is the cure. The organ is not the main thing that produces the disease, but before to that organ something prior is get degenerated, and that's why there is a pathological evidences in the form of organ damage. This is our theory, and this is our aim, to restore these symptoms, to restore the health without removing the organ. That is our sole aim that we have seen yesterday. The ultimates are developed because of the certain derangement. The ultimate here, they have given the example about the ovary, they have given the about reason about the liver failure and knee replacement, but these are all the manifestation of the derangement of the vital force. They are the pathological changes or the pathological conditions which develop because prior something is get degenerated. They are only the manifestations of the degeneration, and hence we have to cure that cause which is occur before the degeneration, before the pathological condition. These are only the results of the disease. But prior to the result, the something is happened that we have to treat. We are not removing the organ because organ is the ultimate thing. It is not the victim. And at the same time, when you are taking for the proper case taking, for the proper making the totality of the symptom, we have to take the proper case of the patient. And when we are taking the proper case, we have to be very simple. We have to use a very simple language, not the technical language with the patient, so that that patient will understand what the things he has to do, what disease he is having. So that warning has given by the Hanuman ki don't use the technical words. The wise physician will use seldomly these technical words. Second thing he has given that if you want a permanent cure, you have to remove this totality of the symptom, because we are taking into the consideration the pure and the characteristic symptoms in the peculiar and the characteristic symptom in the totality. So when or the original symptoms we are taking. So if you are removing the totality, that means you are removing the जे कारण होतं तुमच्या डिसीजचं ते तुम्ही रिमूव्ह करता आहात. बिकॉज जे काही इन्फिल्ट्रेशन झालं आहे लंगमध्ये किंवा द पॉलिप विच इज फॉर्म और द सिस्ट विच इज फॉर्म इन द ऑर्गन, that is the ultimate. So we are interested in the beginning, not in the ultimates of the disease. So up till this we have completed. Now let's move further. Any difficulty up to this? Any problem in this part?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, shall I move further?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yesterday only I have warned you कि after the 5 minutes I will not admit anybody, but still the people are getting late. Okay. So from here we will start today. It is all that visible and represent the disease in the natural world to the eye and the touch, the external understanding of the man. So these are all the sources of getting the totality of the symptom. Ki from the physician sources ही दे है, but what are the sources of collecting the symptoms? That is, yesterday I have told you that is a patient, relatives अगर उसके साथ कोई आया है तो, and the physician's senses, that is the physician observe with the eyes, the physician by the tactile sensation he can know the fever of the patient or the any lymphadenopathy is there or not, and by the smell also he can understand the disease. It is all that enables the patient to individualize between the disease and the remedy. So this is the significance of the totality of the symptom, or you can say कि this is the utility of totality of symptom, which will help to individualize the disease. So this individualization is important because we are not giving the same medicine to the different patients. We are not giving the medicine on the basis of pathological evidences or pathological condition, but we are individualizing the patient according to the signs and symptoms. Though the diseases are same, though the fatty degeneration or the pneumonia or the asthma or the polycystic ovarian syndrome, so though the disease manifestations are or the diseases are same, but the signs or symptoms are differ to every person. Some person may have the pain in the polycystic disease, that lady may not have the pain, she may have the menstrual irregularities with pain. In the fatty degeneration also, the person may not have the pain, the person is only having the nausea and vomiting, but some person may have the pain. So in this way, as the presentation differ, our medicine will also differ, and hence he said that it is helpful to distinguish the diseases and at the same time the remedy. because as the signs and symptom changes, our remedy will change. So when you learn the repertory, so in the third year the repertory subject will start for you. In that repertory there are the different types of repertories: card repertory or the Boning Hussein's repertory, then the concomitant repertory, concordance repertory, then the softwares are also nowadays available. Radar is available, HomePath is available. So you might have heard the such words better than me, because your generation is more techno savvy than our generation. So these are the certain software which are available in the market, and with the help of that software contains different types of repertories. Complete repertory is there, Kent's repertory is there, Boning Hussein's repertory is there. So according to the patient, yesterday I have told ki every patient is just like a examiner. That patient is just like a different subject. कोई पेशेंट आपके पास सर्जरी का आएगा, तो कोई गायनिक का आएगा, तो कोई फार्मेसी का आएगा, तो कोई ऑर्गेनन का आएगा. सो एवरी टाइम यू शुड बी अलर्ट कि ये पेपर आज मुझे सॉल्व करना है, एंड आई हैव टू बी द perfect in that. I should get the at least more than 75% in that paper, so that the patient will satisfy in the first visit only. So in this way, as the patient will differ, the remedy will also differ. So that software will helpful to find out the remedy. If your case will contain the more amount of mental symptoms, then you can refer the Kane repertory, because, or you can refer the Robin Murphy's repertory, because there are so thousands से ज़्यादा वहाँ पे mental rubric and sub rubric दिए हैं in the Robin Murphy's repertory. Or in the Kent maybe 600 plus rubrics hai only in the mental chapter, mind chapter. So when your case is consist of the more amount of mental will and understanding symptoms, you will prefer the Kent Robin Murphy repertory, or you can refer the complete repertory, because complete repertory contains all the rubrics and sub rubrics जो बाकी के rubrics में बाकी के repertory में जो भी कुछ क्या बोलते हैं उसको कमियां थी, तो ये कंप्लीट रेपेटरी में पूरी हो गई है. बिकॉज कोई भी पूरा नहीं होता है, सम लैक्यूनेज आर देयर. केंट रेपेटरी में भी लैक्यूने है, बोनिंग हुसैन की रेपेटरी में भी लैक्यूने है. सो व्हेन यू विल लर्न द रेपेटरी, यू विल गेट टू नो कि ये इसमें ये नहीं है, ये इसमें ये नहीं है. जैसे बोनिंग हुसैन में, सो ही इज मोर एम्फसाइजेस ओनली ऑन द कॉन्कोमिटेंट सिम्टम्स. So he has given the less importance to the mental symptom, but at the same time the Kent has given the more importance to the mental symptom. Then BBCR repertory, Boger Boning Hussein repertory है, वो ब्रिज है in between the Boning Hussein and the Kent repertory का, उसमें सब कुछ है. So the different fashions of repertories you will learn, and these repertory will help you to find out the medicine. So this totality at that time you will find it is very much helpful. The totality that we have formed in the very much first lecture of the totality of the symptom, that totality you have to convert it into the repertorial totality. So repertorial totality की language में आपको ये symptoms convert करना है, and that we called it as a rubric. So if for example, if that person is having a morning diarrhea, so what you will write in the totality? The patient is having the diarrhea at 4 a.m. suppose. So this symptom you have to convert it in the rubric, that is a repertorial language. So what you will learn, what you have to write there, ki stomach. If it is from the Kent repertory, then you can write down stomach, lose motion 4 a.m. In this way you have to convert it in part में इसको आपको convert करना है. लेकिन अगर आप Robin Murphy repertory use करोगे तो directly you will get the diarrhea at 4 a.m. So in this way Boning Hussein के अगर repertory आपको use करनी है, so in that with that diarrhea you should have the concomitant symptom. अगर आपको केंट रेपेटरी उसके साथ यूज करनी है, अगर मेंटल सिम्टम्स है वो डायरिया के साथ, तो एट दैट टाइम अगेन तो यू कैन से कि इफ देयर इज अ डायरिया बिकॉज ऑफ द एंजाइटी, तो वहाँ पे आपको रुब्रिक मिलेगा ये फियर ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन, सब रुब्रिक मिलेगा डायरिया और द लूज मोशन. सो इन दिस वे दिस सॉफ्टवेयर इज हेल्पफुल कि आपको वो 2-4 रेमेडीज ला कर देंगे. सो दिस टोटलिटी when you convert into the repertorial totality, it will helpful to find out the remedy. समझा इतना how it is helpful? Nobody is here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So when this totality is converted into the repertorial totality, it will helpful to find out the medicine. Clear आहे सगळ्यांना?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
50 participants are here. फक्त 5 yes ma'am आले मला. Only 10%. What about 90%? All are sleeping. Still nobody answer.
No, ma'am.
What no ma'am? For what you are saying no ma'am? Bhavna?
नहीं sir.
Bhavna is here? Bhavu Sahib is here? Bhavu Sahib is here? No. Bhavna? Ganesh? Joshi?
Yes, ma'am.
काय समजलं? समजला का? समजला आहे की नाही? बोला काहीतरी. अरे हो म्हण नाही तर नाही म्हण. तुझ्या आणि माझ्यामध्ये जवळपास 500 किलोमीटरचा डिफरन्स आहे. मी तुला काहीच नाही करू शकत.
No, ma'am.
आ? अरे हो की नाही सांग ना. हो म्हटलं तर छान म्हणेल मी. नाही म्हटलं तर परत समजावून सांगेल. तू
No,
कालच्या
ma'am.
लेक्चरला
Nice.
नव्हता ना?
Yes, ma'am.
तू कालच्या लेक्चरला होता का?
हो होतो ना.
होता. मेंटली फिजिकली दोन्ही प्रेझेंट होता का?
Yes, ma'am.
मग काल काय शिकवलं? चॅप्टरचं नाव तरी सांगू शकतो?
Yes, ma'am.
काय होतं चॅप्टरचं नाव? कशाबद्दल आपण शिकवते? मी कोणत्या टॉपिकला अनुसरून मी शिकवते आहे? हा? कोणता टॉपिक घेतोय आपण? का रे? तुला हे पण नाही माहिती आपला कोणता टॉपिक चालू आहे? बर. निशा?
Yes, ma'am.
हा, कोणता टॉपिक चालू आहे आपला?
मॅम मी काल नव्हती लेक्चरला.
हा, मी बरोबर पकडते ना जे नव्हते त्यांना. बर, ठीक आहे. पल्लवी डोंबले.
मॅम डॉक्टर कडे गेले.
ओके ओके, ठीक आहे ना. YouTube वरच्या लिंक मी विनाकारणच टाकते. माझ्याकडे नेट इतकं पॅक जास्त झालंय की असं मी उडवते त्याला. YouTube वरचं आपल्याला काही माहितीच नाही. ऐकायचं असतं नसतं ऐकायचं. जोपर्यंत मॅडम म्हणत नाही तोपर्यंत काहीच नाही करायचं आपण, नाही का? कॉलेज नाहीये, परीक्षेचं काही माहित नाही आपल्याला, आपण काहीच करायचं नाही. लेक्चरला नव्हतो, दुसऱ्या दिवशी अटेंड करायचं, अटेंडन्स मिळते, आपलं काम झालं, नाही का? पल्लवी डोंपले. हे नेटवर्कचा प्रॉब्लेम सांगितला की सुटतो आपण. शुभांगी दहीफळे. तुषार कोपनार. आता यालाही नेटवर्क नसावं मला असं वाटतं. तुषार Tushar is here. Sadiq. सादिक. इतक्या जोरात ओरडेल मी की आळे फाट्यापर्यंत आवाज जाईल सादिकला आता. पण त्याला नेटवर्क नसेल आहे. सादिक नाही. या लोकांना नेटवर्कच राहत नाही. तेजश्री.
Yes, ma'am.
कोणता टॉपिक घेतोय आपण बाळा?
12th chapter. Kant's philosophy. 12th
Very good.
chapter. How to speak or how deal with friends. And total symptoms.
तुला नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लेम आहे वाटतं. सादिक इज नॉट हिअर. आदित्य, तू काल मला एवढी मोठी लिस्ट दिली होती अटेंडन्सची, त्यातले अर्धे सुद्धा मुलं प्रेझेंट नव्हते. आज भाऊसाहेब, गाडे, सादिक या सगळ्यांना अब्सेंट मार्क कर, कारण हे नाहीये लेक्चर मध्ये. भावना, गीतांजली.
Yes, ma'am.
बोला, काय शिकतोय आपण?
Removal of totality of symptoms.
व्हेरी गुड. टोटॅलिटी ऑफ सिम्पटम्स म्हणजे काय?
म्हणजे डिसीज आणि त्या ह्याच्या रिमेडीज मधून हे करायचं. म्हणजे
मी जेव्हा विचारते समजलंय का, तर ते सेवा सगळेजण हो म्हणतात. पण मग प्रश्न विचारल्यावर उत्तर का नाही देतायत? अथर्व. अथर्व. कोमल नलवडे. कोमल नलवडे. नाही. मृणाल. मृणाल नाही का? नीलम. नीलम. मानसी.
Yes, ma'am.
सांग आता सगळ्यांना समजावून आपण कोणता टॉपिक शिकतो आहे त्याची समरी.
Removal of totality of symptoms. Kant's philosophy, 12th chapter.
सांग आता तुझ्या
पहिल्या
मित्र मैत्रिणींना. माझं त्यांना समजत नाहीये शिकवलेलं. नोबडी इज आन्सरिंग.
मॅम स्टार्टिंग पासून
जे तुला समजलं ते सांग. स्टार्ट एंड असं काही नाहीये, कारण आपण टोटॅलिटी कुठूनही लिहिता येते आणि कसंही सांगता येतं. जे तुला समजलंय ते या लोकांना समजावून सांग. हॅलो. हॅलो.
हा मॅम.
सांग ना.
टोटल मॅम जरा ते कर्सरने खाली घेता वरती घेता का?
हो हो घेते ना. नाही ह्याच्याप्रमाणे सांगू नको, रफ आयडिया सांग. हा घे.
Totality is the removal of symptoms, means we have to remove the cause in the very first beginning. And we have to treat the disease in the beginning. We should not wait for the ultimate cause.
Hmm.
And if there
Hmm.
if the organ is damaged, if the organ is damaged, we have to treat that organ. We should not go for surgery or for removal of that organ, as man come first. Not man come first, not the organ.
Hmm. अजून कोणी सांगू शकेल?
And we should
Hmm.
so we should talk with people in simple language. We should not the simple minded people doesn't know about the technical words. We should
Hmm.
speak a very normal or the familiar language.
Hmm. बर. अजून कोणी? Anyone wants to try? What is this totality?
Ma'am, may I?
Okay.
Ma'am, if patient come with
दिव्यश्री का?
हाँ ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, if patient come with ultimate cause, we have to find out the totality of symptom, and we have to make the summary of that totality of symptom. For that, we have to find out the cause. In that, Kane has given the one example of the ovary. In the allopathy, the physician means ovary is not in the allopathy. They treat the that if the ovary is not, we are able to find out that cyst will automatically cure. And in allopathy they remove the organ, but in the homeopathy we first find out that cause of that disease, and for that we have to take the all the totality of symptom,
Okay.
because the organ.
Okay, very good. Again, I am repeating the same thing, but afterward, अगर मुझे किसी ने आंसर नहीं दिया था, I will not give the attendance. So, in a very short and a simple language, again I am explain the whole things. So, we are dealing with the totality. This totality means nothing but the sum of the all the signs and symptoms जो हमको perceptible होते हैं during the disease. Disease यानी क्या? This is the internal alteration of the vital force. So when these vital forces get altered, there is a formation of the disease, and this disease is manifested in the form of signs and symptoms. So what is our prime duty? We have to remove all these signs and symptoms जो disorder हुआ है body में, we have to convert it into the order. So this is our sole aim. To achieve this aim, we have to make the we have to do the total of all the symptoms, because this total will helpful to find out the medicine. When you are removing all these symptoms, that means you are removing the disease of the person. जो cause है उसके signs and symptoms produce करने का, वो आप remove कर रहे हो if you are removing this totality of the symptoms. क्योंकि ये total कौन से symptom का है? The symptoms which are included in the totality, they are very much peculiar to that particular person. कि if I am having a sneezing in the summer season, I am having the cough and cold, that is only the characteristic, because generally we are having cough and cold in the cold weather. लेकिन समर में भी मुझे अगर सर्दी हो रही है, so that is a very peculiar thing for me. During the hemorrhoids, if that patient wants to sit only, because of the sitting, that hemorrhoid causes the pain. So if they are the certain symptoms which are very much peculiar or very much uncommon, ऐसे कुछ जो symptoms है, we are considering into the totality. तो ये symptoms अगर आप remove कर रहे हो, so symptom किसका manifestation है? Disease का. So symptom remove कर रहे हो, that means you are removing the disease. So for that we are making the total of all the symptoms. This is our way of treatment of the patient. But what the allopathies are doing, what they are doing कि if the ovary is producing the symptom, या फिर knee joint में producing the symptom, या फिर if the lung is producing the symptom, या फिर pancreas, या फिर small gallbladder, then they will try to remove that organ, the part of the organ or the organ. But our pathy teaches us कि the organ is the ultimate. Now the disease is get localized. Disease आपके body में fix हो गया है. आपको वो डिसीज का कॉज क्या है, व्हाट इज वो डिसीज शुरू कहाँ से हुआ है, दैट यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट एंड देन यू हैव टू ट्रीट. यानी अगर आप जो शुरुआत है वहाँ से अगर आप मेडिसिन दोगे, सो ये जो अल्टीमेट है इसको आपको ट्रीट करना इजी जाएगा. क्योंकि अगर आप अल्टीमेट को ही ट्रीट करोगे तो कॉज वैसे का वैसे ही रहेगा बॉडी में, तो बार बार वो डिसीज होते जाएगा. एंड दैट्स व्हाई वी आर कॉन्सेंट्रेटिंग ऑन द beginning of the disease, and then ultimately the result of the disease will be treated. वो अपने आप ही ठीक हो रहा है. So but the different parameters plays an important role in that, and hence the Hahnemann also says that कि अगर आप ये total of symptoms अगर आप remove कर रहे हो, that means you are removing the cause of the disease. You are disorder जो state है वो आप order में ला रहे हो. And for that we have to take the case properly, and for the proper case taking we have to use the simple language. Technical words हमको बहुत कम use करने हैं, so that you will be able to concentrate on the characteristic symptom, on the peculiar symptom. So if you are prescribing on the basis of the totality of the symptom, then you will get a better remedy, and you will be able to find out the complete portrait of the disease. And once you will get the complete portrait, you will be able to cure the patient or the disease. Now it is clear.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the Kent view that we are seeing. So if the patient has nothing, एक minute, huh? So up to this we have completed. It does not mean the little independent symptom. It means which we bring the mind and clear idea of the nature of the sickness, because all the organs they are dependent, the symptoms are dependent. So we have to take the each and every symptom properly. Many of the little symptoms that occur can be left out of the total without marrying, but the essence, the characteristic, the image must be there, as there is of importance to the physician, being him the sole indication of the choice of remedy. So this is the essence of the disease. So all the characteristic, if you are taking into the consideration, the image of the disease will form. If you want to draw the picture of the person, आपको दो आंखें, एक नाक, दो हाथ, दो पैर, इतने सब बनाने होंगे. If you are एक ही हाथ निकाला, एक ही आंख निकाली और उसका नाक आधा अधूरा निकाला, सो यू कैन नॉट आइडेंटिफाई कि किसका पिक्चर है. वो पर्सन को आप आइडेंटिफाई नहीं कर पाओगे कि किसका मुंह बनाया है ये, एक हाथ ही नहीं है, एक पैर ही नहीं है. सो पूरा पिक्चर कंप्लीट करने के लिए यू हैव टू ड्रॉ ऑल द ऑर्गन्स प्रॉपरली, यू हैव टू ड्रॉ ऑल द एक्सट्रीमिटीज प्रॉपरली. वंस वो पिक्चर कंप्लीट हो गई, एंड देन यू विल आइडेंटिफाई कि यस दिस इज द XYZ पर्सन, ये जिसका ये ड्राइंग है. सो दिस विल हेल्पफुल टू आइडेंटिफाई. सिमिलरली each and every characteristic symptom will helpful in the choice of remedy. If you want to select the pulsatilla, so pulsatilla के लिए आपको symptoms क्या लगेंगे to give the medicine? What symptoms you required for the pulsatilla? If you want to give the pulsatilla medicine, which symptoms you required in the patient?
The patient.
Hmm?
And the patient needs sympathy. The
Right,
patient needs covering all the time.
right.
Dryness of mouth.
And
Yes. Then
Patient has dry mouth. Thoughts.
Yes.
And the patient is never alone.
Yes.
Yeah.
So all these symptoms you
Drooping
required. Yes.
thoughts.
These are for sweets, ice cream, chocolates.
Yes. That patient should have the mild nature. She always want the sympathy. So if all the symptoms, this is the totality. So once your symptoms get matched with that patient's totality, you will be able to give the पल्सेटिला. सो ये सब सिम्टम्स हमको पेशेंट से निकालने हैं सो दैट अगर आपको अभी सिम्टम्स पता है कि ऑल दिस सिम्टम्स आर प्रेजेंट इन द पेशेंट कि पेशेंट माइल्ड एंड जेंटल है, पेशेंट डिजायर फॉर द आइसक्रीम, द पेशेंट इज वांट्स ओपन एयर. सो ये सिम्टम्स आपके कौन से मेडिसिन को मैच हो रहे हैं? पल्सेटिला. सो ये दिस इज योर चॉइस ऑफ मेडिसिन. लेकिन ये आपको मिली कैसे ये मेडिसिन? By the totality of the symptom. अभी आपने जो मुझे symptoms बताए, these are all the totality of symptoms. Second, आपकी कौन सी मेडिसिन हुई है अभी मटरिया मेडिका में? Which any medicine you have completed? Chamomilla अगर आप लेते हो. So what symptoms you require to give the chamomilla? Chamomilla baby आपको पता होगी, she is always crying. Correct?
Yes.
Why
Yes,
she is
ma'am.
crying? Why she is crying? जब उसको दांत आते हैं तब वो क्राई करती है या फिर उसको डायरिया होता है, पेट में दर्द होता है, तो एट दैट टाइम दैट बेबी इज क्राइंग ऑल द टाइम. करेक्ट?
Yes, ma'am.
सो व्हाट सिम्टम्स यू रिक्वायर्ड इन द चामोमिला बेबी? और या चामोमिला प्रिस्क्राइब करने के लिए आपको कौन से सिम्टम्स लगेंगे?
Wants to be carried all time.
यस. देन?
capriciousness,
यस. देन? सो ये सिम्टम अगर किसी बच्चे में है तो डायरेक्टली यू कैन गिव द चामोमिला. जब व्हेन यू रीड द सीना तो आपको चामोमिला और सीना का डिफरेंस आएगा, तब आपको पता चलेगा अरे दोनों भी बेबीज को ही देते हैं, दोनों भी क्राइंग है. तो उसका डिफरेंस जब आपका सीना होगा तब मुझे बोलना कि कौन से बेबी को चामोमिला देना है और कौन से बेबी को सीना देना है. हैव यू कंप्लीटेड द सीना?
Yes, ma'am. Sina is completed.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the difference Sina baby and chamomila baby?
Ma'am, if we carry Sina baby now, then too they will cry. They don't become coy. They are always crying, and if we offer something now, they don't take it. They want everything, but they don't take it when they are offered everything.
लेकिन चामोमिला बेबी शांत हो जाएगी.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes, so this is the difference. So you can identify now कि ये बच्चा रो रहा है लेकिन उसकी मम्मा उसको कुछ दे रही है तो शांत हो रही है, तो वो चामोमिला आप उसको देंगे. एट द सेम टाइम सीना शांत ही नहीं हो रही है और फेंक रहा है वो बेबी और चिल्ला रहा है, तो आप उसको कौन सी मेडिसिन दोगे? सीना. सो आर यू नाउ एबल टू डिफरेंशिएट द मेडिसिन? लेकिन ये आपको मेडिसिन डिफरेंशिएट कैसे किया आपने? बाय टेकिंग द हेल्प ऑफ सिम्टम्स. राइट? आपने सिम्टम्स लिए ना, 2-4 सिम्टम्स, उसके भरोसे आपने ये मेडिसिन सिलेक्ट की ना.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the totality. यही सिम्टम्स आपको पेशेंट में देखने हैं. If these symptoms are present, the choice of medicine will be easy. डलका मारा मेडिसिन हुई है ना आपकी?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the indication for the डलका मारा? जिथे जिथे थंड वारा तिथे तिथे डलका मारा. बरोबर? Cold air.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes.
This is the way how to remember the materia medica. रोने वाला बच्चा चामोमिला, मार खाने वाला बच्चा सीना, जिथे जिथे ठंड वारा तिथे तिथे डलका मारा. Aconite predicts the time of death. बराबर? गंदा patient sulfur, but at the same time he is very intelligent. So these are all what symptoms की आप list बना रहे हो, that is known as the list of symptoms known as
Totality of
totality of now this meeting will over, but when you will get 5 to 7 minutes, write down the medicine with the symptoms, with the list of symptom. कोई भी एक medicine लो उसकी list बनाओ, दूसरी medicine लो उसकी list बनाओ. देन आई विल आस्क टू एवरीबॉडी, कोई भी 2-3 मेडिसिन लो और उसके जितने सिम्टम्स आपको याद आते हैं उसकी एक लिस्ट बनाओ. समझ रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
everybody should do it. Take 4 to
Yes,
5
ma'am.
medicines जब तक मीटिंग नहीं स्टार्ट होती है तब तक, and make a list of all the symptoms which are very characteristic, which are very peculiar for that particular